Hello everyone. Today I will guide you step by step on how to fix the error that says chat is restricted in your region on Roblox. First, go to the search bar on your computer. You will find it in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar, type the word region. You will see an option appear called Region Settings. Click on it to open. Inside the region settings, you will see a drop-down menu where you can select your country or region. From this list, select United States. This step is very important because Roblox chat works properly when the region is set to United States. Now look just below the region option. You will see another option called Regional Format. Open the drop-down list and select English United States. This makes sure that your system uses the correct language and format settings that Roblox supports. After that, scroll down a little and look at the bottom of the Regional Format section. You will see an option that says Change Data Formats. Click on it. Inside this menu, you will see a setting for calendar. Open the list and select Gregorian calendar. This ensures that the date and time system matches what Roblox expects. When you are done with these changes, close the settings window. Now restart your computer just to make sure the new settings are applied. After your computer turns back on, open Roblox and try to join a game with chat. In most cases, this will fix the problem and the error message about chat being restricted in your region will no longer appear. Thanks for watching.